happened to the pickup.
Jeff gets bouncing around. Them CPEC tires on there, they got a real thin sidewall on there, and they squish around like that. They get hard to get hooked up. Jeff McCullough puts down a distance of 275 and 10 out of Hog Wild. All right, our next pull-up is going to be Ryan Edquist on the grandstand side. Out of Paris on a Case 400. All right, Ryan's going to have to get around the distance of 299.81. That's our lead right now with Michael Schiller.
Come on, old Case, LP.
All right, Ryan, you're doing a great job. We got to keep her under 5 miles an hour. Looks like he's got the throttle bit right over on that Case.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Robert. Let's go. We can give it a little more gas.
What is he doing?
What?
What is he doing?
You like that one?
Come on, crowd, let's cheer him on. The more we cheer him on, the better he's going to roll.
Woo!
Let's cheer him on.
That's LP.
Press the metal to the pedal.
LP.
No, Ryan puts down